In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide fields in Asana. If you've ever opened a project and wondered where your priority, status, or other columns went, don't worry, those fields are probably just hidden. Here's how to bring them back and make your project views more informative again. Start by opening the project where the fields are missing. Fields in Asana are those data points you see as columns in list view, details inside each task, and sometimes badges on board cards. When a field is hidden, the information isn't deleted, it's simply not displayed, which can make your project look emptier than it really is. With the project open, look toward the top right of your screen and click the Customize button. This opens a panel that slides in on the right side. The Customize panel is where you control how your project looks and behaves, and it's the quickest way to surface the information your team needs. In that panel, scroll until you find the Fields section. You'll see groups for custom fields, default fields, and a dedicated area for hidden fields. Custom fields are the ones your team created, like client, effort, or priority levels specific to your workflow. Default fields are common attributes Asana provides out of the box. The hidden area simply lists all fields that exist in the project but are currently not visible. To unhide a field, look for any item with a crossed out eye icon. That icon means the field is hidden. Click the toggle next to it to turn visibility back on. As soon as you toggle it, Asana applies the change immediately. No page refresh required. You'll see the field appear as a column in list view. It will show in the task details panel for each task, and it can also appear on board cards if the field is set to display there. As you review the list, bring back any fields your team relies on and leave unnecessary ones hidden to keep your workspace focused. If you don't see the option to change field visibility, you may be in a view you can't modify, or you might not have permission to edit the project's layout. In that case, check with the project owner to adjust settings for everyone. That's all there is to it. Open the project, go to Customize, scroll to Fields, and toggle visibility for anything with the crossed out eye. Repeat for any other fields you want to surface, and your project will immediately reflect those changes across list columns, task details, and supported board cards.